guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, today, dahil ECQ at we're trying to stay safe, today I will try to cut my own hair. So, sobrang dry na niya. Mukha namang wala split ends, pero dry lang talaga siya dahil sa bleach. And, let's see how it goes. So, nanood ako ng mga videos sa YouTube and sa Facebook. Sana tama ang gawin ko. And by the way, I'd like to thank Miss Estee for my facial. Please watch out for that video, which I'll be uploading soon. Ayan. So, let's get started. See? Hi guys. Okay, here goes. Grabe, mukha siyang walis. Broomstick ni Harry Potter. Char. Teka. Ah! Yan, walang blower, walang plancha. May semi-layers lang na naganap dito. What do you think, guys? Should I go shorter? Or okay na ba to? Let me know in the comments down below. Ayan, by the way, to those who are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. And I'd like to apologize pala sa lahat ng mga viewers. It's been so long since I last posted a video, and that's because nabura lahat ng files ko sa phone and had to restore some of them. And that includes yung mga intro videos for my vlogs. So I had to remake everything. So, yan, I definitely have more content upcoming for you guys, so watch out. That's it for today's vlog. See you next time.